Hello everyone, today we're going to do another version of the cone chain. So this time we are going to go down instead of this way and building up. We're going to go down, so they're going to be, you'll see the pattern that we're going to do. This is just a 20-inch ribbon to make for an 18-inch braid or chain. So we take these and you can fold them to where they meet up here and here to make a smaller cone, or you can overlap them where you get a V shape and make the cones a little bit bigger. And on the last video I showed you like this. And I want to leave enough room to attach this to my backer. And I stapled it on this side and this side because you are going to have a little bit hanging over because you made them so tight. So you just need to be aware of that.